Hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to share with you an awesome Bangkok condo out here in Bangkok, Thailand. And the place is called the Park 24 Condominium Complex, and it's very close to the BTS Prompong SkyTrain. So you could just walk just a couple minutes to the SkyTrain. And it is a 2-bedroom unit that you can currently rent for about 39,000 baht per month, which is about 1,250 US dollars per month. And thank you so much for Uptown Assets for letting me take this video. This condo looks really cool. So let's come check the place out. So right when you walk in, you can see that you do have, it's very spacious. So you don't feel cramped at all. As you can see, the living room is very nice. You do have a little dining table here for you. Very modern looking. Cool lamp over here. And if we look over here, you do have a lot of storage. So you do have a lot of storage here for all your plates and all that good stuff. Refrigerator, microwave. And this is an induction fan right here. So when you're cooking right here, you can have your fumes get sucked up in there. And you do have a washing machine for you. And if we come over here, you do have a little bit of a patio area here. It's nothing too fancy or anything, but you can see that you do have a little bit of a view of the trees down there. You can see the trees down below. There are some gardeners. And let's come back inside. And let's go and check out the first bedroom. And you do have the aircon unit there. Large TV, about a 50-inch TV or so. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. This is the first bedroom. You also do have a decent view of the outside trees, which I really like a lot. And if you look over here, this is actually pretty cool. It looks like you have direct access to the bathroom. So let's go check out this bathroom. Very nice. Just like in the hotels. Cool shower head. And look at the floors. Very fancy floors. And cool mirror design right there. And you can see this is very modern right here. Yeah, and this is pretty cool. So you have access to the other bedroom. So this is the other bedroom right here. And as you see, you do have the patio out there for you. Aircon unit up there. So it looks like this condo, this 2-bedroom condo, has 3 aircon units, which is pretty good. So if you're in this room, you don't have to be worrying about if anybody in the other room is going to stay cool or not, because you have 3 aircon units, which is pretty nice. So let's come and check this out real quick. This is the second patio. Very cool, very nice. And you can hear the sound of the water down there. You can hear the water, so that's pretty nice. It's kind of relaxing. I like it. And also, something to keep in mind, this place does have a really nice pool. Gym. And also they have a nice little lounge area that you can sit and have some food and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this place is called the Park 24 Condominium Complex, and you can currently rent this place for about 39,000 baht per month, which is about 1,250 US dollars per month. And thank you so much for Uptown Assets for letting me take this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.